What's up, ladies and gentlemen? 36 callouts. It's crazy that you guys' keyboards work tonight in December. December. After a holiday week, we're gonna have like a chop week, and then it'll probably rally next week, and then it's gonna fall off a cliff volume wise. Now your keyboards work. Just kidding. We are gonna burn through it though. Bitcoin will be interesting to see. We kind of have this, so we're kind of above that zone, but very interesting point for Bitcoin to be at. So we'll see if that does fail. I'm curious how many people will be watching that trend line. The S&P hopefully breaks up. I think if we rally tomorrow, I think we could be good, but then I'm curious, do we just give it back Friday? After 2 standard deviations last week, that's why I think this week is just nothing. Here's last week, here's this week. Let the indicators cool off. So I'd be hesitant to anything we do go up tomorrow. I am bullish tomorrow. I do think this does break above. If it breaks down, who cares? I'm in the NASDAQ right now. I'm in NQ. But I might actually grab ES if it were to drop down here to that lower blue zone. Expected move, literally nowhere. NASDAQ just keeps playing this back and forth game. I swear, like I told you guys in the chat, I've checked my phone 3 times a day, and maybe a couple times yesterday. I've been in NASDAQ for a while now. I'm literally just hanging out. I think I even bought on, I want to say I bought it on this up candle right here. Because I'm watching it probably closer to the high. Because I've been down, up, like not by, like this I was down more, but you know, like right here, up nothing, down nothing, up nothing, down nothing. Annoyingly. So I am waiting for that to break up and out. I think all the sellers are done there. Expected move, nothing. Hey, the Dow did all right. I might get sucked into a Dow trade, but it would need to pull back. Maybe I do a limit buy right there. Expected move, slightly higher than where we opened. Russell, bull flag, kind of playing out. Which is good news. If you were to play this, I would wait for a pullback right to here. Buy that dip. If I were to buy it right now, my stop would be below this little dip right here. And if it did dip down to that zone, I would add on.